Hello friends, this is Shruti here. Welcome to Learn to Reinvent. Yesterday I posted a video about NTA and CET exam, that is the common eligibility test which would be held for the year 2021. It is a common exam which will be held twice a year, and for that various sections are covered. For bank exam, that is IBPS, railways, SSCs, PSUs, various exams, only one exam would be there, that is CET. For that, I have started a series, that is for the reasoning one I am starting today, and the topic is direction. So you all can see in this video a diagram is being made, and it is a very basic diagram you all must be knowing. So by seeing the diagram, we know that there are 8 directions. 4 are main directions and 4 sub directions. So the north, south, east and west, they are the main directions. You all can see it. The north, the south, the east and the west. And the sub directions, that is the northeast, the southeast, the southwest and the northwest. Now there must be a question whether for northeast can you write it east north direction? Yes, both means the same, whether it is northeast or east north. Suppose now if we are moving in northeast direction and we turn right, that is if we are moving in the northeast direction and suppose we want to move right hand side. So now right can be this also and this also. So where exactly we will turn right? So for that it's a easy thing that we have to turn clockwise direction always for right hand side and anti-clockwise direction for left hand side. So one more important thing which we have to keep in mind is the exact angle, which is the 90 degree in the clockwise direction. It would be for the right hand side, and 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction, it would be left hand side. So now if we are moving in northeast direction, so exact 90 degree clockwise would be southeast direction. So the correct answer would be southeast direction. We will know exact answer. So if we are moving in a suppose if a person is standing in the north direction, so east side would be the right side and west side would be the left side. And suppose if the person is standing south direction, so the east side would be the left side and the west side would be the right side. That is just the opposite of north. Okay, so what is the clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction? So in the clockwise direction, you all can see that the direction is shown, that is from the north, west, south, east. It will be the anti-clockwise direction, and north, east, south, west would be the clockwise direction. In the earlier slide, you could have seen it. So there will be some tricks and shortcuts which will help you to solve the question, and it would save your time. You don't need to draw a diagram for a particular question, as it is a very basic and one of the easiest topic of reasoning. Suppose I'll give you an example. The first trick is cancel the pair of LR. LR stands for left and right. So by example, I would show you how to solve this trick. It's a basic trick. Suppose if a man is walking north, so now you don't have to draw first the man is walking in a north direction, then turn right and then left and then right again. You can just by seeing it, the question, do it mentally in your head and just take the right answer. So if he is walking north 100 meter, then turns right, and then 75 meter he walks and then turns right, and then 100 meters and then finally moves left. So which direction is he walking? So we'll write first north, then first he moved right, then right, and then finally left. So I told you cancel the pair of LR, that is left and right. So you will cancel it. So now you are left with R, that is right. So the right to the north would be what? East. As you all know, when we are standing in the north direction, so right hand side would be our east. All right. Now we'll go for the second trick. The second trick, it shows that if we'll get now 2 L's or 2 R. 2 L's and 2 R means like 2 lefts and 2 R's. So then the answer would become in the opposite direction. How? We'll show. Now suppose first a person is moving in the left direction 100 meter, then again he walks for 75 meter by turning to left, then again he turns left and walks 25 meter, and finally he walks for 25 meters and turns right. So now what is the final direction in which he is walking? So again the trick we'll follow, that is left and right. The first trick which I told you, it will be cancelled. So 1 L and 1 R would be cancelled. Now we are left with 2 L's, that is 2 left sides. So now what? So suppose if he was in the south, so 2L means opposite of south, that is north. As I told you, the trick will be opposite direction if it is 2 L's or 2 R's accordingly. So opposite of south would be north, we all know. Now the third trick is what happens if it is 4 times L or 4 times R. So what will happen now? Suppose the man is walking first right, then 100 meters he walks, and then he again turns right, and then 75 meters he walks, and then again he turns right, and then again he walks 25 meters, and then finally he turns right. Now in which direction he is? He started from the S, that is the south direction. So we all see that nothing would cancel. There is no LR, all are R, so we are left with the 4R. Now if there is 4R, so then what will happen? It will be in the same direction. So if he has started from south, he will come back to south. So when it is single left and R and it cuts, we are left with 1 L, that is left or R, then we'll get the direction in which the last one is showing, that is whether it is L or R, whether it is in the left direction or whether it is a right direction. Now if we are having 2 L's or 2 R's, then it will become the opposite of the direction in which the person has started. And if we get the 4 R's or 4 L's, then the person who has started in which direction, suppose if he has started from the south direction, so then the answer would be the same direction, not the opposite one. So these are some of the tricks. We'll continue in the next class about some more tricks, and by tomorrow I would be completing the direction chapter with some important questions as well. So from tomorrow onwards I would also be starting current affairs. It's current affairs here, current affairs. So from tomorrow onwards, and it will be on a weekly basis. Along with it, I would be also starting English, and after maybe a week or two, I would also be starting with the static GK portion. So with this, I come to end of this video. If you like this video, please like and please subscribe to my channel, that is Learn to Reinvent. Please